Raise your hands up if you've ever deleted any of your videos from your YouTube channel due to low views and engagement. Raise your hands up if you are about deleting another video from your YouTube channel due to low views and engagement. Please wait. Before you hit on that delete button, let me tell you why these actions might be hurting your channel growth and visibility. Trust me, you might love to hear this. These are some of the things that might happen to your YouTube channel if you keep deleting your videos within short intervals, that is within a short period of time. 1. It will create gap in your content history, which might confuse the algorithm, thereby slowing your channel growth, visibility, and video recommendation. 2. If you constantly delete your videos, your account will be flagged. The views and recommendation on your channel, both new and old videos upload, will decrease. Yes, your views will drastically decrease. You will also lose ranking and other benefits that has to do with your channel growth and visibility. Deleting your videos from your channel due to low views and engagement can possibly lead to shadow ban by YouTube. I noticed this in my channel when I deleted some of my video within short interval, that is within some period of time. I noticed that my views drastically reduced. At least when I upload, I used to notice activities there, but of recent, I noticed that my views have dropped drastically, like because I deleted some of my live stream videos that I uploaded. I deleted and uploaded, and I noticed drastic reduction in my views, no recommendation. Even some of my subscribers were not getting my video notification, so I knew there was a problem. Deleting your videos from your channel can also hurt your channel SEO, search engine optimization. Yes, when you delete your videos frequently from your channel, it hurts the SEO. That is, it can remove keywords that will help people to find your content. That is, keywords that you've imputed in your video tags or description that can help people find you. When you delete that video, people might not be able to find your content, thereby affecting your channel growth. Because when you delete your videos, you are not just removing it from your channel, you are also removing it from YouTube search results. Your visibility and growth will take a hit. They will be seriously affected. One thing you should know is that keeping your videos with low views and engagement can still drive traffic to your channel. So please don't delete it. Instead of deleting such videos, you can update the video descriptions, add some relevant tags, even pin in fresh comment in the comment section, and also attach the links to other videos. Videos with low views and engagement can also set as a foundation for new content ideas. You can get ideas from such videos and use them to create new videos. You can remix such video by converting part of it to YouTube short and also attaching the link for people to watch the full video. Such videos with low views and engagement can also be recreated with new update and added information. To remove yourself from low views or possible shadow bans by the algorithm or no recommendation by the algorithm, this is what you should do. Make sure you don't delete any of your video for the next 3 months. If you'll be deleting videos from your channel, please stop it and make sure you don't delete it for the next 3 months. Post consistently and engage with your audience. It's very important. Make sure there's activities going on in your channel, so YouTube algorithm will notice it and start recommending your videos to people and also your subscribers. Please don't delete your videos for the next 3 months. Don't delete any videos, no matter the views. Please don't delete it, because that video can still get the traffic and visibility you want it to get. So don't delete it so it doesn't affect your channel growth and visibility. Stop deleting your videos despite the number of views and engagement. Don't just delete your videos. So with time and consistency, your channel will grow and continue to drive traffic. So just try and follow some of these YouTube guidelines. Even when you check if your YouTube channel has been shadow banned, it will not show you any information. It will only show you that you are not shadow banned. But the YouTube algorithm knows the activities that goes on in your channel, and when they notice any unusual activities in your channel, the algorithm will leave you, and the only thing you will notice is no engagement, no visibility, no recommendation. Even your subscribers don't get notified satisfied when you post a video. You don't see returning subscribers. You only see few people engaging in your video. So please try and read more on YouTube guidelines. Carry out your research so you don't engage yourself in any YouTube violation or mistake. So if you know you'll be experiencing low views, gather here in the comment section. Let's keep our account active and growing. Let's engage with each other. Keep your account active and growing. Leave a comment here and let's connect with each other. Most importantly, don't forget to hit on the like button and also subscribe to this channel. You can also go through my playlist and watch most of my tutorial videos, and I made a video last week about how commenting on other people's video helps give you visibility and subscribers. I will leave the link in this video description so you watch and learn how engaging in other people's video can also give you the visibility you want. So before you hit on the delete button to delete any video from your channel, please think of the long-term effect and don't go about deleting videos from your channel due to low views and engagement. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video.